Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, in the You Choose, I Draw contest, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a SIRENHEAD GODZILLA hybrid. I definitely had some fun creating this. It might be a little scary or on the creepy side, but overall it was definitely a fun drawing. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our SIRENHEAD GODZILLA hybrid, we're going to begin with the face. So I'm going to begin right up here, and I'm going to just start by making a little line. It's just going to go down, and it's going to come up like a check mark. Next, we want to draw a little line that's going to go down and then up for the eye. I'm going to bring this line back, and I'm going to take it down with a couple more little lines coming down. Then I'm going to add a couple little lines right here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, and I'm just going to make it a little bumpy along the top. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. It's going to go in, and I'm just going to bring it down. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go up. Now I'm going to bring this line down to right here. And we're going to bring this line down just a little bit and come back for the mouth. For the chin, let's just draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come over, and we're going to bring it up here for the jaw. Let's make a line come down. And we're going to add a little line right up here for the nostril. Now for the teeth, we're just going to add a bunch of little sharp triangles on the top and on the bottom. And we're just going to make kind of like a long, pointy tongue coming out. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over and that's going to come down. I'm going to do this a few more times. I'm going to stop right here. Starting here, we're going to add one of those little sirens. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up. I'm going to start here. I'm going to curve around, and I'm going to come down and up. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to curve right around here. Starting here, I'm going to make kind of like an oval shape. And I'm going to put some sharp teeth in here. And we're going to add a couple little extra lines right around here. Starting here, I'm just going to add a couple little lines that go down and in for the neck. And a little line just going to go down and then up. Make another one that's going to go down and over, and another one here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go straight down at an angle. Add a couple little lines up here. And I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to a point and then back for a claw. Do another one here. And then we'll do one more right here. Next, we're going to bring the line up, and we're going to come in. We're going to add another one here, and we're going to come right to here. Now, jumping back up here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up and down. I'm going to go out, and we're just going to come down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down and up. And we're going to make a little angled line here. We're going to make kind of like these skinny arms. We're going to make a line that's going to come down, make a long point, and I'm going to come up. Pick another one with a long point. It's going to come up. And I'm going to make one more here. I'm going to come up and connect. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down. Draw line is going to go down and then over. I'm going to make a line that comes down here. Line that comes down to a point and back. Another one right here. And we're going to make one right here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes up and over. And I'm just going to bring it up to here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down, and it's going to come up to here. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of follow that same pattern. It's just going to get a little bit skinnier at the end. I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, and I'm going to put a little curve shape on it like this. And then we're going to make a little line that comes down to here. Next, we're going to add kind of like an oval shape. And we're going to put some teeth on here. And a little line that comes down for another little siren head back there. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to come down like this, and we're going to make a nice kind of pointy shape for a thumb. Make a line that's going to come down and then back. Another one here, and one more here. Now I'm just going to bring the line up and over. Now I want to add the spikes onto here. So when I'm adding the spikes, I'm just going to make some kind of long, kind of wavy, jagged, pointy lines. We're just going to kind of make these really pointy, kind of going all over the place. Make them kind of big on the back, and then we're just going to make them get a little bit smaller as they come down. And I'm just going to bring these all the way along the back of the tail. And then this is our basic shape of our Godzilla Siren Head hybrid. Now we just need to come in here and add the details. So, first thing I'm going to do is we're going to start on the face, just going to add some lines up here. And a couple little lines right here. Add some lines right around the mouth. And some more on the neck. A couple lines by the arm. And I'm just going to bring some of these broken lines up here too. Make some kind of long broken lines coming down. I'm going to add some really long claws on here to kind of make it a little more Godzilla-like. And we'll do this on all the toes as well. And I'm just going to add some extra lines on the feet and legs. Some little swirled lines around the knees. We'll add some more claws up here too. And just some kind of long, kind of quick little lines all over just for some extra details. Add some extra little lines up here. And I'm going to add some more little lines over here too. And some extra little lines just kind of all over. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Godzilla and Siren Head combo. Now, there's lots of different ways we could do this. We could have even put like more of a Siren Head face or mouth for the Godzilla mouth, but this is just my version of what I think a hybrid would look like. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.